This watercolor portrait painting is finally finished. Before we're going into the preview of this watercolor portrait painting, I want to share with you another good news. I'm starting the drawing and painting lessons for beginners. If you think you are or some of your friends and family, they are at the beginning stage of learning drawing and painting for fun, now you can come to my another YouTube channel. It's Enjoying Art Magic. Take the color. We're going to keep it simple. Simple the best. The front leg. Another one. There you go. It's that simple. And on the tail, just put some spot color here. And at the end, we're going to have a big solid. Very easy to do. In the comment, please tell me what you would like to paint next. In the following few minutes, I hope you enjoy the preview of this watercolor portrait painting process. The purpose of this watercolor portrait project is to provide our members and our community with in-depth watercolor portrait learning lessons. Start from a charcoal drawing study to figure out the composition, and then we talk about the different drawing materials. And then we used 2 sets of drawing tools to work on the drawing study of the eyes, of the nose, of the mouth, of the hair, and also the technique how to draw the head. After that, we talk about the basic watercolor mixing system that I have been teaching to my members and my students. With the only basic 3 colors, the Winsor yellow, Winsor red, and the present blue, we'll be able to mix the skin tones and any color that we need for this entire watercolor painting. And then I show you how to use the watercolor to study the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and then finally start working on this watercolor portrait painting. Use the background to help to make the main object to stand out. First, let's use some light color to do some drawing. Bottom of the hair is over here. The top of the head would be here. The hair coming down over here. The bottom of the chin, it will be here. And the head is about here. Getting the correct impression right from the beginning, very important. So we're going to carry that impression and that feeling through this entire painting process. I'm going to take a look at the background. I'm going to have, some purple color, some little red color, a little bit yellow color. At this point, I can start add the color for the skin. Okay, I'm going to get the yellow color with the red color and a little bit more yellow. If there's too bright, and then you add a little blue color, and it toned it down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to start that from this corner. We're going to use a new way to measure. Right now, we just put the color in, focus on the bigger composition. I'm just going to use the clean brush. Now soften those colors. Have them to connect together, have a feeling of the skin. Now, darker color for the hair. Take the present blue, some red color. I'm going to start. The outside still a little wet. So, come back to do that a little more. Okay, now on this side, have some brown color for the head. Maybe even a little purplish color. And here you go. We're going to use this small calligraphy brush and just come in here. I'm going to make some really dark color. Start with. Okay. Now I'm going to start over here. I think this should be where it started. from the forehead over here. And I think the eyebrows right over here. Okay. Don't be afraid that you're going to make mistakes. Okay. Now, take a look at the eye. Let's compare the nose first. Eyebrows to the nose. And the nostrils probably over here. Let's take a look. Okay, this nostril over here. Like that. The bottom. Nose over here. Like that. The corner of the mouth about over here. Now we're gonna work into the eyes. I'm gonna come back, use this calligraphy brush. Okay, we're working to this eye first. Now I'm gonna have a little bit darker color. A little bit darker. Maybe start with a little brown color. So I'm gonna mix the yellow and the red and the blue colors. So this maybe a little bit more red. Okay. Now take a look at this corner. Like that. Iris. The left side, the right side. Okay. Like that. That's good. Lip and painting around the highlight. Now I'm gonna come in to do the eyelashes. So I'm gonna also take this color. If you have a good paper, the correct color, almost the process can be close to unlimited. You can work on it for a long time. This project includes 13 lessons and total 12 hours of videos. If you are a member of our Enjoying Art learning community, you'll be able to view all the full lessons in our Patreon or inside the Enjoying Art Learning Center. If you like my watercolor painting approach, you can join our Enjoying Art community. With a couple cups of coffee each month, you will give me a whole lot of encouragement and support. Just click on the link in the video description and enjoy your learning journey with us.